Feast your eyes on the beauty that is the PS5, but this is no normal PS5, this is the Marvel Spider-Man 2 limited edition PS5. And while that name might be a lot to remember, all you need to know is that this system packs a punch. With 825 gigs as a base and support for up to 8K resolution, all this power must come with some responsibility. Taking a look around the side, we see the contents. I am disappointed by the lack of a hard copy of the game, but I guess that's just gaming in 2023 for you. On the back, we're treated to an epic showdown between Peter Parker, Venom, and Miles Morales. Now it's time to see what's in the box. I'm not gonna lie, this was unexpectedly heavy. I actually struggled a little bit pulling this out. And yes, I know, that's what she said. Now with the cover box aside, let's see what we got. Inside this box is another box. Let's speed it up and see what we got. Dismantling this box, we are greeted by a quick start guide just in case you weren't sure where the power button is, a safety guide just in case you weren't sure where to pour the milk at when you need to feed this after 9 o'clock, or was it midnight? Oh well. A stand so your cat doesn't knock it over, but don't worry, he'll still find a way to do that. An HDMI 2.1 cable that supports resolutions of 4K up to 120Hz. It even supports up to 8K if you have a TV beefy enough for the task. Though keep in mind the PS5 is currently capped at 4K resolution. A power cord that looks eerily similar to the one used all the way back in PS2, thanks Sony for keeping things simple. A USB Type-C charger for your controller. And lastly, we have our first look at the Spider-Man 2 controller. Let's get a better look. What an absolutely stunning controller. The design is striking as we see the symbiote take over the controller. On the front we have white face buttons with black directional buttons. The Spider-Man logo is plastered front and center on the trackpad. Let's take it around to the back. Around the back is not as interesting, it's all black with a slightly textured grip, along with some model numbers for the controller. Up top we're greeted with more of the black symbiote color, with our trigger buttons and USB-C charging and a Sony logo. The bottom of the controller is more of the same, with black symbiote coloring and a slot for your headphones. The most disappointing part of this bundle is the lack of a physical copy of the game. Why give me a digital code with a disc console? And now for the star of our show, let's take a look at the console itself. I had forgotten how tall of a console this is. I'm so glad that I waited for the one with the beautiful design like this, cause this takes up so much space. Even though I'm showing it without the stand on, you would be crazy not to use it because this is a fall risk. I would have loved to see the symbiote side have more design details, such as glossy tendrils or webs. As it stands, one side is a bit plain with just a Spider-Man logo on it. With this much venting, I'm curious to know how loud and how hot this will get. And there you have it folks, the Marvel Spider-Man 2 limited edition console. Do you like the way this looks? Do you plan on picking up the console, the plates, or controller? Let me know in the comment box below, and be sure to stick around and watch another video.